وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى, and found you poor, then made you self-sufficient. So وَوَجَدَكَ is to find you, and عَائِلًا means someone who is poor and under tremendous crushing weight and pressure. Interestingly, the word used for family in Arabic language is ayal. We say alu ayal. And ail refers to family. And family is a big responsibility. It's like a tremendous crushing weight and pressure on you, because you have to fulfill the needs, you have to bring food to the table. So being poor doesn't mean that you are just destitute. It means that you have a lot of responsibility to fulfill. You have financial outgoings, you have responsibilities for your loved ones, for your family. And if you're unable to meet those responsibilities, or if you're struggling to meet those responsibilities, you are in poverty. And many of the middle class and lower middle class people are actually facing poverty. But yet when you look at them, you think that they are middle class and they are well-to-do, and they are not. And then Allah says, He made Himself sufficient. He made Him aghna. So after these three examples from the past of the Prophet, may peace be upon him, Allah Ta'ala now is giving him a message. And this message is not just for the Prophet, it is for all the believers. And all of this surah, it applies as much to the believers as it does to the Prophet. We are being quoted the example of the Prophet here, but the message is for all the believers.